Sometimes, the first step to clarity is simply cleaning the space around you. A clean space invites focus, and a clear desk opens the door to a clearer mind. Organizing isn't just about neatness, it's about taking control, about choosing calm over clutter. Productivity starts with peace, and sometimes organizing is the most powerful form of self care. So, here is to small resets, quiet movements, and that oddly satisfying feeling when everything is finally where it's supposed to be. And yeah, life can still be messy, but for now, this small corner of it is calm, and that's the start. I didn't include the previous two lectures in the video because it would have made it too long. However, I studied those two lectures for about 4.5 to 5 hours in total. Right now, I am working on the third lecture, which is around 3 hours long. I usually watch lectures at 2x speed, and when I take notes, I slow it down to 1x. This helps me cover more content in less time while still understanding everything properly. Hey guys, so I went to the bookshop today because I needed to buy a few books and also restock some of my stationery. Let me show you what I got. First up, the Daily Current Affairs book by Drishti Publications. Since I am just starting out, I find it a bit difficult to connect the topic just by reading a newspaper. So to make something a little easier, I have decided to go through this book along with my daily newspaper reading. Next, I picked up a pack of A4 sheets. I plan to get them bound soon so I can use them more efficiently. So yeah, moving on, I also bought Indian Geography by Majid Hussain sir. To be honest, I didn't check any reviews before buying it, but after getting home and doing some researches, I found that many toppers don't actually recommend this book. Yeah, because they are saying ये बहुत ज़्यादा lengthy है. But still I feel like मुझे first attempt देने में भी बहुत ज़्यादा ही time है, so I can cover it thoroughly. Let's see how that goes. Thereafter, मैंने copy खरीदा which costed me around 140 rupees. Something. Alright, so here's the main book I got. A History of Ancient and Early Medieval India by Upendra Singh. Apologies if I don't pronounce her name correctly. Now, many of you might not know who she is. She is actually daughter of our former Prime Minister, Dr. Manmohan Singh. She is also a professor of history at Asoka University in Sonipat. This book was recommended to me by my respected sir, so I have decided to study from. Moving on to the last thing that I bought today is this rough copy. Basically, I bought this for my answer writing practice, and yeah, this is also recommended by my sir. उन्होंने कहा था that I have enough time, so मेरे को एक answer writing practice अभी से start करना चाहिए, so I started it. So this is the Pilot V7 pen. ये cartridge वाला है. मेरे पास non cartridge वाला भी है, but ये मेरे को कंफर्टेबल तो नहीं लगा बिकॉज ये बहुत ज़्यादा लाइट है, तो राइटिंग जो स्मूथनेस होता है वो नहीं आ पा रहा मेरे से. बिकॉज आई जनरली प्रेफर कार्ट्रिज सिस्टम. मैं पहले V5 भी यूज़ कर चुका हूँ. V5 वॉज गुड, बट इसका जो नेप है वो थोड़ा सा पतला होता है, ड्यू टू विच मेरे को उतना प्लीजेंट नहीं लगा बिकॉज मेरे को मोटे पेन से लिखने का आदत है.
It's kind of bittersweet. Never thought I'd come back. It's been a while since I packed up my things and left. I recall it still in my beat up truck. I didn't look back, didn't give up. I got my first real kiss behind the coffee shop. Thought he was the one until we broke it off.
Okay, so I am currently researching the NPR and NRC because my teacher assigned it as a homework. I am trying to understand what the NPR and NRC are, the controversies surrounding them, and whether they affect the secularism of our country. I want to be well prepared so that I can easily follow the lecture when it happens in the class. So this video is a compilation of 5 to 6 lectures totaling around 11 hours of study. I started from Union and its territories and went up to Article 18 Clause 3. Please note that this doesn't include the revision session I did, nor the additional time spent researching topics like NPR and NRC. Some of you might wonder how someone can stick to one subject for so long. Let me clarify, I didn't study continuously for 11 hours. This is a compilation, not a single stretch of study. During this time, I also prepared for my graduation exams and managed other responsibilities. Although I can study for 11 to 12 hours a day when I am at my peak, and sometimes even up to 18 hours of study, I personally feel that that kind of routine isn't sustainable in the long run. So I try to avoid pushing myself to that extent regularly. And that's exactly what I'd suggest to you. You don't need to study for 8 to 10 hours a day. What truly matters is how attentive you are while studying. A small shift in your mindset can help you get the best out of yourself. Once that happens, studying won't feel tiring or stressful anymore. And yeah, that's it for today. If you watched till the end, please drop a comment so I can know your name. It really means a lot. See you soon in the next one. Till then, keep learning and keep